Let's bowl off with cricket. Head coach of the West Indies team, Phil Simmons, says he has much confidence in the squad that has travelled to the UK to go and hold on to the Wisden trophy. Simon Preston tells us more.
The last time both teams met in a test series was January last year in the Caribbean, and the Windies won the series 2-1. Fast forward 17 months, and the Windies are now preparing to face the English in their backyard behind closed doors due to the spread of COVID-19. Despite being without Darren Bravo, Shimron Hetmaya and Kemo Paul due to fears of contracting the virus, Simmons feels there is enough talent in the squad to get results against England.
I think we have the best squad we can have. Unfortunately, a few guys decided not to talk, but we're here with the best squad that we can have here, and from the way we've started and the work the guys have been putting in, I think we'll be ready and looking to defend our trophy.
One area where Simmons wants the team to execute effectively in is with the batting.
There's a lot of pressure on the batsmen to perform because the bowling unit has been carrying the test team for a while now, and it's something that we are harping on a lot. Not to put extra pressure because there's enough pressure in playing a test match, but we need to get that total of 400, 450 in order to give this bowling unit, which I think is a top-class bowling unit, that's for the fast bowlers especially. So we need to get that 400, 450 on a regular basis in order to give ourselves a chance in these 3 test matches.
While Simmons has described the current Windies bowling unit as top class, he has opened the door for pacer Shannon Gabriel, who was selected in the reserves list to play in the first test if he is fit.
We selected 14. Now Shannon, as we know, has come back from injury, and I think that being a senior member of the squad in the past 2 or 3 years, I think that we would definitely have to look at him coming into the 15 if he's up to that fitness level leading into the first test.
The first test bowls off on July 8 at the Rose Bowl in Southampton. The second and third test matches will be played at Old Trafford in Manchester. The last time the Windies won a test series in England was in 1988. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.